Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to find and delete all viruses on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you want to delete all of the viruses and bugs which are in your iPhone because of iOS 26, because iPhone has launched their latest iOS version, iOS 26. But if you see any kind of suspicious activity or lag in your iPhone iOS 26 and you thought that this is due to unwanted viruses on your iPhone, then how you can fix that? For this, you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of iOS on your device. For this, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to simply go to general. So in general, you can simply find software update, and in software update you have to check you have installed the latest version of iOS on your device, because many bugs and errors are fixed by the latest version of iOS. And the second option is that you can simply restart your device. Restarting your device will remove all unwanted bugs and errors and viruses which are available. Moreover, if you got the viruses from the browser, which means from the Safari, then you can simply also reset clear history and website data, and after that all the viruses will be deleted from your browsing history. So here you have simply go to setting, and after that you can simply find clear history and website data, and after that you can clear all history and website data, so that any kind of website data which is malfunctioning in your iPhone be deleted. So moreover, you can also check any suspicious app which you have recently installed which is causing problem. Then you can simply uninstall it from your iPhone. Moreover, there are many apps available on the App Store which check for viruses and delete them. You can simply also search them on your App Store. So here you can simply search for virus cleaner on your iPhone. So you can search for any app, and if any of the apps work for you, then well and good. So moreover, you can also check for any kind of VPNs and unnecessary profiles of the VPNs which is causing the problem. You can also remove that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.